Hi everyone, a warm welcome to today's class. In today's class, I'm going to teach you 20 Igbo words, which will help you in building your Igbo language vocabulary. I will teach you 20 Igbo words. But before I proceed, if it is your first time of coming across this video, our channel, please kindly, you know now, click on the subscription button and the notification button also to get notified anytime we upload new videos. Click on share button and also like our videos. All these won't take you much time. So in today's lesson, as I said earlier, I'll be teaching you 20 Igbo vocabularies that will help you to speak Igbo language. The first on my list is thank you. Thank you, which is daalụ. Daalụ. If you don't say daalụ, in my dialect we say mmeka. 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 That is daalụ in my dialect. Then the next on our list is well done. Well done. You hear imeela, 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 or you say imena, imena, or imeela, or imena. Anyone you choose to say. Some people used to use it too interchangeably. That is, when they want to say thank you, they will say imeela. When they want to say well done, they will say daalụ. If you still say it that way, you are correct. Do you understand? You are still correct. Some will still use them together. Imeela daalụ. Daalụ imeela. Anyhow you say it, you are on point. Then the next on our list is sorry. In Igbo, we'll say ndo. 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 Some dialects will say meshiwe. Meshiwe. Ndo or meshiwe. But the central one is ndo. Some dialects will also say kawo. Kawo. Ka-a-wo. Ndo. But the central one is ndo. I would like you to choose the central one so everybody will understand you. Ndo. But if you still hear someone say cow, just know that they are still talking about sorry. Then the next on our list is no. No, which is mba. Mba. Sometimes you hear someone say mba 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 mba. Achohomia. That means I don't want it. No. That is, the no is capital no. Mba. Then we have yes. Yes. You hear someone say yes. Then in Igbo, yes means yeah, eyi, yeah, eyi. Then we have right hand. Right hand. Right hand. In Igbo, we call it aka nri. We use our right hand to eat in Igbo language. Nri is food. In Igbo, nri, food. Hand, aka. Aka nri. Aka eji nri. Then we have aka ekpe. Aka ekpe, which is the left hand. Aka ekpe. Remember I said aka is hand. Then we have aka ekpe for left hand. Then walk. That is W-A-L-K. Walk. We have EJ. 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 To walk noun is ịga ije. Ije is walk. To walk now means ịga ije. Ịga ije. Ịga ije. Then we have open. 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 In Igbo, we will call it mepe. 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 If you don't say mepe, you say gure. Gure or mere. Mepe. Mere or gure. Mere ụzọ ka ọ bata. Open the door. Let her come in. Close. Close means mechie. Mechie. Kpochie. If you don't say mechie, you say kpochie. Then we have start. Start. Bido. Bido or malite. Bido or malite. Bido. Malite. Bido. Anyone you choose to say, you're correct. Then we have stop. Kwụsị. 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 Or jedebe. Jedebe. Then take. Take means were. Were. If you don't say were, you say nara. Nara. In church, you hear one of the church songs. They will say nara, 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 aja. All those songs. Nara. That is take. Then we have give. Give. Nye. Nye. Give her the book. Nye ya akwụkwọ ahụ. Give her the book. Nye. Then we have some. Some. Ụfọdụ. 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 Then we have some people. Ụfọdụ ndị mmadụ. Ụfọdụ ndị mmadụ. Then we have music. Music, which is egwu. 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 To dance now means ịgba egwu. Ịgba egwu. To sing means ịgụ egwu. Ịgụ egwu. Know the differences. I said to dance is ịgba egwu. To sing means ịgụ egwu. Know the difference. Then we have udo, which is peace. Peace in Igbo language is udo. They say that a lot in Igbo speaking community, especially in Onitsha. Onitsha is a place known for their slangs. They know how to form their own slangs that they use there. Maybe after discussion, they will now say udo. Udo means peace out. That means they've concurred to what they were saying. Udo. So they say it a lot here. So I would like to learn it too. Udo. That is after much conversation. You tell somebody Udo. That means you people have concurred that you will say you will do this or that. I'll say that at the end of the video. Then we have black. Oji. Oji. We have book. Akwụkwọ. 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 Book. Akwụkwọ. This is where we'll draw the curtain for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed yourself and I hope you learned something. Please always take good care of yourself and see you in my next class. Please kindly like, share and comment on our videos. Udo.